Hello students, this is the last topic of the second module called the transmission line. In the last lecture we have discussed the various impedance matching techniques. There we have used something called the quarter wavelength transformer, which is used for matching your load impedance with the lossless transmission line whose characteristic impedance is real. Now the problem with that technique was that for every kind of load, for variable load, we require a specific value of the transmission line. Means that quarter wave transformer to have a specific values of the characteristic impedance in order to match a specific value of the load. Now if my load is varying, I cannot able to change the quarter wavelength every time. So that is a problem with the quarter wavelength transformer technique, and the solution of that particular problem is, which we are going to discuss in our next lecture, that is something called the stub matching techniques. Stub, probably you are listening this particular term for the first time. So basically this stub is nothing but a section of a transmission line only, which we are using as a part of the transmission cable. The only difference here we're going to make is that we're going to append that particular small section of that stub either in series or parallel at some particular location on the transmission line. That's all. Our problem is solved. But the actual problem lies at where exactly I need to place the stub and of what length. So that is something we're going to identify in our next lecture. And that is something called the stub matching technique. So it is also a kind of impedance matching technique, and which is more popular. So do not miss my next lecture. See you all in my next lecture. Thank you.